gonna go back cleaning up my heads. I don't plan to do anything special with these heads other than pick them up and slam them back on there. He was running good with them on there. And unless it shows me that it's got a problem, I don't have a problem putting them back on there. I'm just saying. So, I'll wash them up a little bit more. Now let's clean off the goop and the duck and the goop. And as always, I'm sure there's somebody out there says, I'm going to pop them valves out and reseat them and whatever. Yes, okay. See you next time. I think I'll pass this time. That pressure washer's working. Feel better about that. Anyway, especially with all the tin I got to clean up around here. I got a lot of Volkswagen motor tin that's got to be cleaned up. I'm beginning to wish to hear this thing run a bit. It's encouraging me to want to get done with all this. Get on with it. Alrighty then, I went up to the hardware store this morning. I picked me up a die. Supposed to fit them threads there. I guess I could test it on, let's see, I can test it on this one here. So I can screw that bolt out of that one there, just to make sure that that's going to fit.